Well, hello everybody. This is Judy Parcell, and I kind of wanted to share something with you. Yesterday, which was November 22nd, for my birthday, I treated myself to a workshop. And John Garrett was running the workshop. That's the first time I've been able to have a workshop with him because he always teaches at night, and I can't drive at night because I can't see. Anyway, what we did was collage, and I asked everybody's permission if I could shoot their pictures and shoot pictures of their art, and I want to make a little video to put up on Facebook so everybody else could see what they were doing. And I have to say, it was an awesome day. A little intimidated at first because I've told you that I'm a little scared of collage, but it wasn't all that I cracked it up to be, in a bad way at all. We had a great time. Maria, she cooked 3 soups, all homemade, 3 breads, all homemade, had some iced tea, and there was wine there if we wanted it. And it is delicious, just absolutely delicious. So she knocked herself out with that soup. So this video is kind of a compilation of everything we did. And I was very quiet at first, and then a little later, as we all kind of warmed up and got to know each other, I broached the subject about AI and told them, because there was some flack from artists in the community about my using it, that I would learn about the copyright laws. So I had a discussion with them about that, and they thanked me for that. And then I went around and I asked permission of everybody to see if they would have let me photograph their work and them for this video, and they gave their permission. But anyway, we had a blast, and I'm so glad I went. So here's the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, I am back with a little bonus for this video. We had a surprise at the end of the workshop, and there was a young woman that came in, and she was from Anderson. Her name was Pamela. I'm sorry if I butcher this. It looks like Lomno. And she came in to show us her collage skirt. Now, when you look at this, it was done in layers in Photoshop, because I asked her about that. She said yes. I asked her if she made the skirt. She said no. She had a company make it for her. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and I want you to enjoy what we saw. And I'll talk to you later.